designed only strictly for iOS browser, for Chrome. It can simulate that experience and display all the content properly. For design, right, only two types. The XAML, which is for the .NET and C++, if you are building on top of the Silverlight part, or second is the CSS if you build with HTML5. JavaScript is supported as part, but I'm not specifying here because the HTML5 and JavaScript comes together. Okay, there will be four touch points which is very important in Windows Phone. The first is the home screen. The home screen is the landing page, right? You have to think of what the user wants to see when you first launch the application. This is a little bit, it might be a little bit different from other platforms because Windows Phone is all about the content. Like what kind of stuff that you want to display to the user, what kind of things that the user wants to learn more, right? They open the screen, they will know how to execute, how to run an application. And second is key control. You position your key, your position of controls like buttons, images, or sliders in an appropriate way. And third is, of course, by making your app more beautiful. I don't know how to define beautiful, right? But our general guideline is use the proper use of open spaces. Don't be too crowded. Right? Typography. Use a proper typography, not using Comic Sans. Animation, not using a spinning or brighting or shining starlight, something like that, but use a subtle animation that make the user comes to your content itself. And of course, a minimalistic design, right? Try to minimize all your content and display only the essential one. And the fourth is AppStorm. Windows Phone has one unique feature, which is the live tab. You can display the latest information just on your start screen. Right, I don't even need to open my pin apps. So you see, my trackers are actually pinned on my start screen, and it will shows me how many steps I walked. And it even says you took 7,538 steps yesterday. Try to beat that today. Yeah. So you don't even need to open the app. Right, once you pin it on the start screen, if you call to your app to refresh your details. It's something like an Android widget, right? But it's less memory consuming, and it's less processor power consuming, and of course, it's less battery consuming. Okay, resources available. A lot of resources available. If you are very free, go back and check out Channel 9, check out on MVA. These two are great start for you. Right, especially Channel 9 has more than, if you combine together, you have more than 24 hours non-stop streaming, video, not audio, video, and also a sample codes for you to test on. More than 24 hours non-stop. I believe some of you can go and watch a Korean drama for a weekend without stopping, right? So why not spend some of your time by end of this week? The other platform has it as well, right? Some other platform has this kind of video tutorial, but these are the official one. It guides you directly on how to do the things, how to do a design, how to kickstart your application, how to first install the Windows and Visual Studio on your device. Right? And of course, if you have any other question, you can feel free to email me at any time. Sample browser is also available. What kind of sample? Like if you want access to GPS, if you want access to mapping, all the controls are available on the sample browser. You can download it and you can use it directly. Right, any question on this one? Right, you can take down my contact. My name is Stacy. The phone is my email address. Right, in case you have any question regarding to hardware, regarding to the sensor core, or regarding to the Windows Phone development, you can let me know. I will arrange a time with you. If I am available, I can meet you at any locations that is nearby. But of course not too far away, I can't travel too far. Around time where you will find, sometimes I also travel to other states, right, to other universities as well. Do let the organizer knows if you are planning to work on hardware, if you are planning to use a sensor core, if you are planning to use a Windows Phone. Right? Why I say you need to let the organizer know is that I don't have your data. Right? If you are interested, let the organizer know. Right? Because we need to allocate some resources for you. I need to prepare the slides. Right? If you are available, I need to prepare some sample codes for you to use on Blackboard. Right? If you are building on iOS, of course, I cannot give you a sample iOS or Android code, but I can at least point you on the correct direction on how you can get the data, on which endpoint, which URL you should get your data from the Blackboard. Right? Thank you.
At the same time, they can fill up the forms.
Okay, thank you. Okay, basically, now we will go for a short tea break. So after the tea break, we will continue with Android training. So we're still waiting for the trainer to come. While waiting for him, we can have a tea break first. Yeah. At the same time, if let's say you all under category 2, so we are giving the device for you to use. So to get the device, you have to register yourself. So you can proceed to the reception counter to get the forms and fill out the particulars. Thank you.
Thank you.